So, you've got a Monzo account and you're wondering if you can send US dollars, USD, to it. It's a common question, and the answer might surprise you. Understanding Monzo. Before we dive into the specifics, let's quickly recap what Monzo is. It's a UK-based digital bank known for its sleek app, fee-free spending abroad, and a few other handy features. The short answer is yes, you can send USD to a Monzo account. However, there are a few things you need to know. How to send USD to Monzo. Here's a step-by-step guide. Check your Monzo app, open your Monzo app and look for the top-up or deposit option. Choose the currency, select US dollars as the currency you want to deposit. Enter the amount, input the amount of USD you want to send. Choose a payment method. Monzo will likely offer you a few options, like using a debit card or bank transfer. Confirm and send, review the details, and confirm your transaction. Fees and exchange rates. Now, let's talk about the fees and exchange rates involved. Monzo generally offers competitive exchange rates, but there might be fees associated with the transaction, especially if you're using a third-party service. Always check the specific terms and conditions of your Monzo account and any third-party services you might be using to understand the exact fees that apply. Using a third-party service. If you're unable to send USD directly to your Monzo account, you might consider using a third-party service. These services can often facilitate international transfers, but they might charge fees. Some popular options include TransferWise, now known as Wise, Revolut, and PayPal. However, it's important to compare fees and exchange rates before choosing a service. International transfers and bank holidays. Keep in mind that international transfers can take a few days to complete. Additionally, bank holidays in the UK or the US might affect processing times. Security and fraud prevention. When sending money internationally, it's crucial to prioritize security. Always use reputable services, avoid sharing your personal information with strangers, and be wary of phishing scams. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind. Check your Monzo limits. Ensure that your Monzo account doesn't have any restrictions on international transfers or foreign currency deposits. Consider currency exchange rates. Monitor exchange rates to find the best time to send your money. Communicate with your bank. If you have any concerns or questions, don't hesitate to contact your bank or Monzo customer support. Conclusion. So, can you send USD to a Monzo account? Absolutely. While there might be a few steps involved and potential fees to consider, it's generally a straightforward process. With the right information and a bit of planning, you can easily transfer your USD to your Monzo account and enjoy the benefits of a digital banking experience. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.